Many of you wonder how to fix a spray attached to your faucet which is not working very well. Of course, the first solution is to use the CLR, but sometimes it's not enough. Why? It's because inside the faucet you have a three-way valve, and typically this three-way valve gets stuck. So I found a solution without having to remove everything because it's kind of complex. You are going to see how I am doing that. I am going actually to trigger the valve to work in conjunction with the faucet. So here is how I am doing it. You hear the noise alternatively between the faucet and you go, here it is, that's perfect. And actually what it does is that it removes the calcium which is stuck in the valve. You may have to do it 100 times. It needs to alternate between the spray and the normal faucet. So it's a cadence to get, but at the end you are going to see that the spray is going to get more and more water flowing through it. If you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section below this video.